Breaking news coming out of the state of California just after 7:12 a.m. Pacific, 10:12 Eastern Time. Tiger Woods, 15-time major championship golfer, was involved in a serious car accident, a one-car accident. And according to the L.A. County Sheriff's Department, it was a rollover accident in which Tiger Woods had to use the jaws of life to extract him from the car. Here's what we know right now. His agent, Mark Steinberg, just put out a statement moments ago saying that Tiger confirming that he was in a single car accident this morning in California where he suffered multiple leg injuries. He is currently in surgery, and we thank you for privacy and support. That again coming from his agent, Mark Steinberg, who released a statement as you take a look now at the crash footage there from California. Now, it happened in the Ranchos Palos Verdes neighborhood. To give you an idea of where that is at in California, it's about 31 miles south of Los Angeles, about 14 miles west of Long Beach. Tiger most recently was in the L.A. area at Riviera for the Genesis Open, of which he is the host of the tournament. This coming from the L.A. County Sheriff's a statement confirming what had happened with Tiger Woods on February 23rd, 2001 at approximately 7:12 a.m. L.A. County Sheriff's Department responded to a single-car rollover traffic collision on the border of Rolling Hills Estates and Ranchos Palos Verdes. The vehicle was traveling northbound on Hawthorne Boulevard and Black Horse Road, where it crashed. The vehicle sustained major damage. The driver, a sole occupant, was identified as PGA golfer Eldrick Tiger Woods. Mr. Woods was extracted from the wreck with the jaws of life by the Los Angeles County firefighters and paramedics and then transported to a local hospital by ambulance for his injuries. The traffic investigation is still being conducted by investigators from LASD Lomita Station.